baby. Stay away from my running baby. Doctor, I'm afraid of history. When did this all start? Well, and now, a meme guy pretending to be a man. Alex, are you a meme guy? What? No. Yeah, me neither. What? Hey, what time is it? Actually, it's 12:30. Miss, you need to pay for your food.
Hey, you two should kiss!
Ew. My boyfriend says I'm the most beautiful girl in the world. Are you moving away? I'm moving right now.
You want to go dance with me?
I'm going to eat my own dog.
Wait.
Who did this to the people? I did.
Don't you dare.